Well, we're starting to get things put back together, or cleaned up anyway, sorted. Got way too much crap. But I've pretty much lived my life to this point with the "he who dies with the most tools wins" is one of my mottos. So I think I'm getting there. But had several trips to the pick-a-parts yard for a different vehicle in the last 6 months or so, and pretty much had everything that I owned in that little box there, so I could make sure that I didn't have to make a trip and then not have the one tool I happen to need. And then working on everything else has just turned it into a rat's nest. So yeah, it's moving. Alright, well, I really want to save this bracket, but I cannot get that stupid pin to move, and I don't feel like buying a punch. So we're going to see if applying a little excessive force might be enough. Bracket can always get hammered flat. Jesus Christ. Flaming River makes a good product. That's not a crush. Getting there. Still not quite there. Shit. Like a little galvanic corrosion to ruin your day. Alright. Now we'll pull that out, hammer the bracket back into shape, and we're in good shape. When in doubt, apply excessive force. And just like the day I bought it. Almost.